Since 1998, our company has been providing shore-based maintenance of communication and navigational equipment. We have regularly developed, and today, total number of employees is 74 technicians. Our branch offices are located in different cities of Russia, such as Kaliningrad, Petrozavodsk, Murmansk, Rostov-on-Don, Vladivostok, and head office is located in St. Petersburg, where the main capacities of the company are centralized. The principal direction of our company is a service department, which is the largest in Russia today. Daily, we perform a huge number of the requests not only in Russia but also abroad. We are providing a full range of services and maintenance of communication and navigational equipment for our clients. We would not be able to perform all these services without effective approach to the business and our team. The incoming requests are processed by our service coordinators. It is they who appoint the technician to the ship, ensure coherent action, and organize the successful implementation of the services 24/7. Our technicians are regularly trained by the manufacturers as well as internally. For this purpose, we have created a unique program to enhance theoretical knowledge and practical skills. To improve the quality of the training, we have test bench equipment of various types and manufacturers. We have basically everything that is used on board and that we can serve. Technical support service performs remote assistance to the crews, ensure preparation of the technicians to carry out complicated requests. They are the most experienced engineers. For sure, a common service could not exist without repair at the component level. We are providing our clients with such services. For this purpose, we have the equipped base with various repair and measuring devices. A high-quality service is not only an opportunity to provide services ASAP and at high level, but also it is the ways of the decision-making in respect to supply of the equipment and spare parts for the integrated approach to any request. The ability to supply any product of radio and navigational equipment is much highly appreciated by the client in today's marketplace. Additionally, one of the effective tools of the company activity is the availability of its own warehouse both in the branch offices and a transit warehouse abroad. Often, ship owners' request is associated with their urgent tasks, and a clearly structured logistics system with the ability to supply cargo within one-day frame helps us to solve these tasks. The sales department is ready to solve any problem based on the needs of the ship owner, offering the best solution and options. Having huge experience in the service of the radio and navigational equipment, our company has opted for the creation of own product line. A development department created in summer 2018 is a bold step towards development of the company. The assembled team of specialists, including circuit engineer, software engineers, designers, was given a primary task to create auxiliary devices that are most in demand when retrofitting and refitting of the vessels. These are peripheral devices for connection of the equipment, information indication devices, ADCs, DACs, power supply units. We maintain constant contact with both users and experienced service engineers while working for the projects. Their feedback, suggestions, and offers help us to develop not only a high quality, but also updated product. We are only at the beginning of a long journey, but our devices are already installed and are successfully operated on board the vessels of the existing fleet.